The job description of a cost accountant focuses on analyzing, recording, and reporting financial data related to the costs associated with producing goods or services. A cost accountant plays a vital role in helping organizations manage and reduce costs, set appropriate pricing strategies, and improve profitability. They work closely with management to provide actionable insights that support budgeting, financial planning, and decision-making. Through detailed cost tracking and variance analysis, cost accountants enable businesses to operate more efficiently and maintain competitive advantage. Cost accountants primarily operate within manufacturing firms, but their expertise is also sought in service-based companies, logistics organizations, and construction firms where cost control is essential. Their responsibilities extend beyond just recording expenses. They examine the entire cost structure of the organization to pinpoint areas of inefficiency or excess. This includes reviewing labor costs, material usage, overheads, and operational workflows to identify opportunities for financial improvement. Their evaluations form the basis for strategic planning and internal control systems that help organizations maintain long-term sustainability. One of the most critical functions within the job description of a cost accountant is developing and maintaining cost accounting systems that align with the business's financial goals. This involves setting up standard costing procedures, tracking actual costs, and comparing them to expected costs. When variances arise, cost accountants investigate the root causes and prepare reports that explain the deviations. These variance analyses help managers understand where and why the company might be overspending, whether it's due to inefficient production, supplier price changes, or wasteful resource allocation. Inventory valuation and cost analysis. Cost accountants are deeply involved in inventory valuation, which directly affects the financial statements of a company. They calculate the cost of raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods, ensuring compliance with accounting standards and accurate reflection of inventory values. By choosing the right inventory costing method, such as FIFO, first in, first out, LIFO, last in, first out, or weighted average, they influence the reported profitability and tax liabilities of the organization. An accurate inventory valuation can lead to poor financial decisions, so their precision and attention to detail are vital. Alongside inventory tracking, cost accountants perform cost volume profit, CVP, analysis to examine how changes in production volume affect profits. This analysis aids in understanding the break-even point and evaluating the impact of different pricing or sales strategies. Additionally, they conduct margin analysis to identify which products or services generate the most value, allowing businesses to optimize their offerings and eliminate low-margin operations. Midway through the job description of a cost accountant, it becomes clear that their role is not only about numbers, it's about guiding business decisions through data. Cost accountants collaborate with production managers, procurement teams, and executives to implement cost control measures, improve budgeting accuracy, and enhance overall performance. Their insights are essential during product launches, operational restructuring, or investment evaluations, as they provide forecasts and financial scenarios that help leaders weigh risks and opportunities. Budgeting, forecasting, and internal controls. Budgeting is another key aspect of a cost accountant's responsibilities. They assist in preparing annual budgets by estimating future production costs, assessing financial goals, and allocating resources efficiently. During the fiscal year, cost accountants monitor expenditures, measure actual performance against the budget, and revise forecasts as needed. This helps departments stay on track financially and avoid overspending. Cost accountants also help establish internal control systems that prevent fraud, ensure accurate financial reporting, and maintain regulatory compliance. They might design cost allocation methods to fairly distribute indirect costs among departments or projects. By developing standard operating procedures and auditing cost-related transactions, they safeguard the integrity of financial information. Cost allocation is especially important in large organizations with multiple departments or product lines. A cost accountant ensures that shared resources, like utilities, administration, or IT, are distributed in a logical and justifiable manner. This transparency supports accountability across departments and allows for better performance comparisons. Required skills, education, and software proficiency. To perform effectively, cost accountants must possess strong analytical and mathematical skills, coupled with a solid understanding of accounting principles and financial regulations. A bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, or a related field is typically required, while professional certifications such as CMA, Certified Management Accountant, or CPA, Certified Public Accountant, can enhance career prospects. These credentials validate the accountant's expertise in cost analysis, strategic management, and ethical practices. Technological proficiency is also essential. Cost accountants frequently use spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel and Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, systems such as SAP, Oracle, or QuickBooks. These tools help in data analysis, report generation, and cost modeling. Familiarity with business intelligence software or data visualization tools is an added advantage, as modern organizations increasingly rely on data dashboards to monitor financial metrics in real time. Soft skills are equally important. Cost accountants must communicate complex data in a clear and concise manner to non-financial stakeholders. They need to be detail-oriented, organized, and capable of handling confidential financial information with integrity. Their ability to work both independently and collaboratively across departments enhances their effectiveness in driving cost improvement initiatives. Work environment and career outlook. Cost accountants work primarily in office environments, often within the finance department of a manufacturing company or corporate headquarters. Their work is usually full-time, with additional hours required during budgeting periods or financial year-end reporting. They may also visit production sites or warehouses to observe processes and collect cost-related data firsthand. The career path for cost accountants is promising, with opportunities to advance into roles such as financial analyst, controller, finance manager, or chief financial officer, CFO. As businesses grow more data-driven, the demand for professionals who can turn cost data into actionable business intelligence continues to rise. The role is both financially rewarding and intellectually stimulating for individuals who enjoy problem-solving and strategic thinking. Industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, retail, logistics, and construction heavily rely on cost accountants to manage expenses and improve efficiency. Whether in a multinational firm or a medium-sized enterprise, their contributions are indispensable to financial planning and operational success. Conclusion. The job description of a cost accountant reveals a role that is both analytical and strategic. From calculating production costs and monitoring variances to shaping budgets and advising on pricing strategies, cost accountants are at the heart of financial decision-making. They enable organizations to stay competitive by controlling costs, improving profitability, and supporting data-informed leadership. By balancing precision with insight and numbers with narrative, cost accountants ensure that every dollar spent contributes meaningfully to the company's goals. For professionals who enjoy working with data, influencing strategy, and playing a pivotal role in business operations, a career in cost accounting offers both stability and impact.